Say good morning to the boys, Bella. Go get them up. Get them up, B. Tell them good morning. Good morning. You're cold? I bet you didn't have a blanket. Why didn't you have a blanket? Say good morning, B. Get your boys. Tell them. Say it's time to wake up, B. Tell them. Oh, Bella. Did you say good morning? Yeah. I'm taking a video for your dad, guys. And Bella telling you good morning.
How could this happen to me? Can't move the posts out of my feet.
Bella, did you tell them good morning? Did you say time to wake up? Oh, Vinny's getting the full-on kisses. Did you? Oh, guilty.
Guilty.
Zach wants kisses, Estray. Give him your kisses. Oh, good girl, baby. Did you say good morning, too? My cute babies.
Is Nikki a boy or a girl?
I'm sorry, what?
Is Nikki a boy or a girl?
Nikki's a girl.
Nikki is Jacob's cat. And she named the Nikki after Nicki Minaj.
Bella. Bella. What are you doing here? Paw, woman. Tell your dad hi, guys. I'll put this on YouTube so he can see it. So he can see all of you guys in the morning. Wow, she really wants to give you kisses, but she doesn't want me to catch her giving you kisses. Just give him kisses, baby girl. It's okay. You can give him kisses. Mommy doesn't care.